Philly cheesesteak dip. I just made it. Check it out. First thing, cut up your onion and bell pepper. Today we're cutting them in little squares like that. Throw them in your pan. Now add yourself 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and a little bit of avocado oil. Now you're going to want to grab the DANO's Primo. That's the gray silver platinum top. We're going to add a bunch of that. It's got the black pepper in there, also black salt, black garlic, black cumin seeds. There's nothing like it. While your peppers and onions are cooking, do this. Get your 2 blocks of cream cheese. And now we're going to add a little bit of DANO's Original, that's the green top, and a little bit of DANO's Spicy, that's the red top. A little bit of both. While we're at it, we might as well use the DANO's Chipotle, that's the maroon top, and the DANO's Crunchy, that's the black top. A little bit of both. All right, now our onions and peppers are cooked up. We're going to add them to the bowl. Now you need 2 14-ounce packs of the Cheesesteak and some more DANO's Primo. And maybe a little more of the other 4. All right, while our steak's cooking up, we do this. Get you a big spoon, and we're gonna blend this in together, the cream cheese and our onions and peppers. Now we can go ahead and put our cream cheese and pepper mix in the bottom of our Pyrex. Now we'll just smooth this out across the bottom of our pan. Now our meat's done, we're just gonna simply add it to the top. Now we're gonna fresh grate some pepper jack cheese. In case you're wondering, this was about 6 ounces. We're just going to spread that around evenly. Then we're going to use sliced baby Swiss. This is 1 packet, it's 8 ounces. And we got 1 slice left over. I'll make a grilled cheese or something. All right, so it's almost time to go in the oven, but we're not done yet. If you haven't noticed, I'm freestyling this recipe. We're going to add a couple sliced jalapenos. Going right on the top. I almost forgot to tell you, the 6th seasoning is the DANO's Cheesening. It's like Parmesan cheese with Italian herbs and spices. Look, you just sprinkle it right on top, just like that. It's a great cheesy topper for anything. And if you want all 6 DANO's, right there in the pantry pack. Yum, yum, get you some. Now we're gonna throw this into our 400-degree oven. All right, it's been 20 minutes and we covered it for the last 10 because we didn't want it to burn. Look at that. Now there's only one thing left to do. Let's give it a bite. Maybe I'll give it just a second. It looks a little hot. Let's go in for it. That is 100% thebomb.com. Yum, yum, get you some. I'll be doing that again. We'll see y'all next time. Keep sprinkling.